Did you know that the average American home has shrunk by over 1,000 square feet in the last decade? Yes, you heard it right. The trend of downsizing is real, and it's here to stay. As our living spaces become more compact, the need for smart design solutions to make the most out of every nook and cranny has never been more crucial. So, whether you're part of this growing trend, or you're simply looking to optimize your current space, keep your ears perked. We're about to dive into 32 design tricks that will truly maximize your area. Imagine living in a space that feels open and airy even though it's small. Now, how is that possible, you ask? The secret lies in the magic of white lacquered walls and glossy tiles. It's quite fascinating how these elements can create an illusion of a more expansive and breathable space. Let's take a trip into the world of colors for a moment. White, the color of clouds, of purity, of peace. It has an innate ability to reflect light, making any space feel brighter and larger. Now pair this with glossy surfaces which bounce light around the room, and voila! You're in a space that feels like it has just doubled in size. Consider the story of a homeowner named Emma. She lived in a small cramped apartment in the heart of the city. Emma, with her love for open spaces, felt stifled. Then she stumbled upon the idea of using white lacquered walls and glossy tiles. A few weeks of work, and her apartment was transformed. The once small space now felt open, breathable, and so much more inviting. So never underestimate the power of a fresh coat of white paint or some glossy tiles. It's like a magic spell for your small space, turning it into an open, airy sanctuary. What if your chair could also serve as a side table or your bed could double as a couch? Imagine the possibilities. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer for those living in small spaces, making every square foot count. Picture our friend, let's call him Max. Max lives in a studio apartment in the heart of the city. His space is limited, but his creativity is boundless. He's transformed his tiny apartment into a comfortable, stylish haven using multifunctional furniture. His bed, it's not just for sleeping. By day it's a cozy couch for lounging and entertaining guests. Come nighttime it transforms into a comfortable bed. Then there's his dining table. When he's not enjoying a meal, it serves as a spacious desk for his work-from-home setup. And his ottoman? It's a footrest, a coffee table, and a storage unit all rolled into one. Max's story is a testament to the wonders of multifunctional furniture. These versatile pieces are designed to serve multiple purposes, reducing clutter and maximizing space. It's not just about saving space though. Multifunctional furniture can also add a unique touch to your home. A chair that doubles as a side table or a bed that can transform into a couch can be conversation starters. They bring a sense of fun and innovation into your living space. But remember, it's not just about cramming as many functions into a piece of furniture as possible. It's about choosing pieces that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. If you love hosting dinner parties, a dining table that can expand to accommodate more guests could be a great choice. If you often have overnight guests, a sofa bed could be a lifesaver. So, take a leaf out of Max's book. Embrace the power of multifunctional furniture. It could be a chair that doubles as a side table, a bed that transforms into a couch, or even a storage unit that serves as a coffee table. The possibilities are endless. Remember, in small spaces, each piece of furniture should earn its keep. Ever wished your bathroom was a bit taller and more streamlined? Well, here's a design trick right out of the wizard's hat: hanging subway tiles vertically. It's fascinating how a simple change in orientation can create an illusion of height. Subway tiles, with their classic shape and clean lines, are perfect for this magic trick. When placed vertically, they draw the eyes upward, making the bathroom appear taller and more spacious. Let's share a story. Once upon a time, there was a homeowner named Alex. Alex lived in a small, cozy house but always felt his bathroom was a bit too compact. After wrestling with various design ideas, he stumbled upon the concept of vertical subway tiles. Intrigued, he decided to give it a try. And voila! His bathroom was transformed. It felt taller, more streamlined, and Alex could swear it even echoed a bit more. This trick is not just for subway tiles. You can experiment with different types of tiles, from penny rounds to large format tiles. Just remember, the guiding principle is the same. Vertical orientation creates an illusion of height. So think vertically when it comes to your bathroom tiles. What if you could have a laundry room, even in a tiny apartment? Now that's a question to ponder. But hold on, this isn't some magic trick or an impossible dream. It's all about smart storage solutions, my friends. Let's dive into the charm of compact storage solutions. Imagine this. You live in a pint-sized apartment, but you love the comfort of doing your laundry at home. The thought of going to the laundromat is just, well, let's say it's not your cup of tea. So you decide to create a compact laundry room right in your closet. Sounds crazy, right? But here's a story that will change your mind. Meet Jane, a homeowner just like you. Jane lived in a small apartment with limited space, but she had a dream, a laundry room of her own. Instead of seeing the limited space as a constraint, Jane saw it as an opportunity. She looked at her closet and thought, what if I could squeeze a washer and dryer in here? After some careful planning and a bit of DIY, Jane managed to do just that. She installed a compact washer and dryer in her closet, even adding a small shelf for detergent and fabric softener. Now, she has a laundry room that doesn't take up any extra space. Amazing, isn't it? This is the beauty of compact storage solutions. They allow you to make the most out of every nook and cranny in your home. From a laundry room in a closet to a shoe rack under the bed, the possibilities are endless. It's all about being creative and thinking outside the box. So, next time you feel like your home is too small, remember Jane's story? Look around you and think about how you can use your space more efficiently. Can that empty corner become a reading nook? Can that bare wall hold a fold-down desk? Can your coffee table double as a storage unit? Remember, storage is king when it comes to small spaces. Did you know that mirrors can be your best friend in a small space? Yes, indeed, mirrors can be a game changer when it comes to small space design. They're not just for checking out your reflection before you dash out the door. When used strategically, mirrors have the power to make a space feel larger and airier. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Picture this, a cozy apartment in the heart of the city. The living room is small, cramped even. The homeowner, let's call her Jane, is at her wit's end trying to make the space feel larger. Then Jane has a brainwave. Mirrors. She decides to install a large mirror on the main wall of her living room, opposite the window. The result? Pure magic. The mirror reflects the natural light streaming in from the window, making the living room feel brighter and more spacious. It's as if the room has doubled in size. Jane's guests are left in awe, unable to believe that it's the same cramped space they once knew. But mirrors aren't just for living rooms. They can be used in the dining area, bedroom, or even a narrow hallway. They reflect light and create an illusion of depth, making the space feel larger and more open. The best part? Mirrors come in all shapes, sizes, and designs. So you can always find one that suits your style and complements your decor. So don't shy away from using mirrors in your small space. Who knows, they might just be the magic touch you need to transform your cozy home into a spacious haven. Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or comfort. As we've explored in this video, there are plenty of ways to maximize your area and turn it into a cozy, stylish haven. Remember the magic of white and glossy surfaces that can make your rooms feel airy and open. Don't forget the power of multifunctional furniture, your secret weapon to saving space while keeping your home functional and well-organized. The illusion of height can be achieved with vertical tiles, giving your bathroom a streamlined, taller look. Compact storage solutions, on the other hand, are your allies in keeping clutter at bay and maintaining a neat, tidy space. And finally, mirrors are not just for vanity, but also for creating the illusion of a larger, airier room. So, embrace your small space and make the most out of it with these design tricks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it and subscribe to our channel.